It spins like a rolling ball, it's colder than any other planet, and it might hide secret oceans under ice. We've only visited Uranus once, but now, NASA wants to return. Here's why. In ancient times, humans gazed at the night sky and named 5 planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. But beyond these known worlds, there was one more. A mysterious blue orb once mistaken for a star. This is Uranus, possibly the strangest planet in our solar system. Uranus is the 7th planet from the Sun, about 1.8 billion miles away. That's 20 times the distance from Earth to the Sun. A single year here lasts 84 Earth years, which means if you were born on Uranus, you'd only experience one birthday in your lifetime. Despite not being the farthest, Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system. Temperatures plummet to -370 degrees Fahrenheit. That's because its atmosphere, rich in methane, ammonia, and water, traps very little heat. In fact, 80% of Uranus is made up of a vast ocean of these ices, giving it its cool blue color. Unlike any other planet, Uranus spins on its side. Its poles point almost directly at the Sun, like a ball rolling instead of spinning like a top. Scientists believe a colossal impact early in its life knocked it sideways. This unusual tilt affects everything, from its 27 moons to its rings, which orbit vertically like a Ferris wheel. Only one spacecraft has ever flown by Uranus, Voyager 2, back in 1986. It revealed a dynamic world with fast winds, stormy methane clouds, and narrow dusty rings. Some of Uranus's moons, like Ariel and Miranda, may even hide oceans under their icy crusts. NASA and the European Space Agency are now planning a return mission to Uranus, possibly within the next 2 decades. Why? Because Uranus-like planets are common across the galaxy. Studying this strange world could help us understand not just our own solar system, but thousands of exoplanets beyond. Uranus was the first planet discovered with a telescope by William Herschel in 1781. Its name breaks with Roman tradition. Instead of a Roman god, it's named after the Greek sky god, Uranus, the father of Saturn and grandfather of Jupiter. A fitting title for such an unconventional world. A cold, sideways spinning ice giant, hiding ocean worlds and waiting to be explored again. Uranus isn't just strange, it might be the key to understanding planets beyond our solar system. It's time we go back. Like the video, subscribe channel, press bell icon.